Hey guys, how are you? Craig here from Out There Touring. So I've just come up to Mount Sugarloaf today just to do some product reviews on the Dutch Engineering tray and also the Australian Performance Box Canopy. So if you're new to the channel, go back, watch the introductory videos where I introduce the Hilux, the build process that I've been through, and then inside the canopy, the 12-volt system, and also how I've laid it out. Like and subscribe and you'll get new content hopefully every week, if not every second week. So I've had them fitted on the truck now for just over 12 months. I've got no commercial arrangement with either of the companies and I paid full price for them. As I've already said in the build introduction video, the tray is built by Dutch Engineering from Wickham in Newcastle. I basically designed what I wanted, did the drawings for him, sent the specs off for the canopy as well. They came up with a really good competitive price with other companies around, so I just gave them the go-ahead. They took the old tub off that I had and installed the tray. So the tray is 1650 in length, not including the headboard, and the headboard's about 80mm, and it's 1780 in width, which is the perfect fit for the canopy. The canopy is 1780 in width and 1400 in length, plus I've got the little overhang at the back where I can fit the jerry can holders and also anything else I want to fit on the back and carry. The Dutch Engineering, they're based out of Newcastle. Really easy company to work with. As mentioned in the previous video, I designed the tray and they built it for me as per my specs. I put the tray through some really good challenges already, taking it down to Victorian High Country and also just returned from Fraser Island. It's held up to everything I wanted. Okay. So as far as the design of the headboard, I'd probably change it a little bit so that I could fit a slimline water tank up here. Still looking into that, haven't done enough background, but in the meantime I have actually fitted a Camac 59 litre, I think it's 59, maybe 62 litre water tank underneath. Unfortunately I've lost the footage to that, still trying to find it, and I'll put another video up if I manage to do that. Regards to the canopy, as mentioned before, it's an APP canopy. Matthew down there at APP, really helpful guy. Again, the canopy's held up to everything that I wanted, and it's held up to every test that I put it through so far. In regards, it came down to Victorian High Country, did the Billy Goat track, and also I've just returned from Fraser Island. It's held up to every test. So I'll run through that. The joints have all held up. So everything's held up. It's done everything that I wanted it to do. Cannot fault the tray or the canopy. Again, for the price that I paid for them, yeah, you can't complain. Of course, like everybody, we all see these magnificent builds, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000, or some of them don't even put a price on it. This build has done everything I want, and I can go to the same locations as everybody else. So as mentioned in the previous videos, the canopy's 1400 in length and 1780 in width. The amount of weight that I carry and the distribution of the weight. So most of my weight is over the rear axle, so no damage to the chassis, or minimise the amount of weight at the rear and the overhang. Righto guys, hope you enjoyed that. That was just a quick little review of the tray and canopy setup on the Hilux. Leave some comments, ask some questions. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.